How to fix a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error. So if you want to fix a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. Open up your settings and go with the Windows Update, which is here on the bottom left, and then go with Fix Issues and then download and install your Windows Update if you have any updates on your computer or your PC. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then again open up your settings and go with the option of date and time. Go with date and time settings. And here, make sure that the set time automatically option is turned on and go with sync now, which is here. You just need to simply click on it. And once you click on sync now, then you just need to simply restart and it might basically fix your issue. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you just need to simply go with the next one, which is network reset. Search for network reset. And once you search for it, now here you need to click on network reset, and here you will have the network reset. You just need to simply click on it and then go with reset now, which is on the right side. And once you've reset, you need to restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.